Hey, thank you for joining me in this video, and we are gonna make a first Flutter application. In my previous videos I have explained how you can download Flutter SDK and how to configure it with Android Studio and VS Code. I personally use VS Code because I think VS Code is more lightweight than Android Studio and more faster. You can build application really quick in VS Code. We are going to start from scratch, so let's get started and make our brand new Flutter application. If you want to make sure you have installed everything correctly, you can enter this command in terminal: flutter doctor. This command will give you all the summary of everything installed in your system. If everything is wrong, it will tell you, but here I see everything is working fine and we have no issues. To give you a quick idea of this command, this will let us know that we have Android toolchain installed by default if we install the Android Studio. We have Chrome for the web development, and we have Android Studio version 4.0. we have VS Code, and we have one Android device connected, and some other devices are connected as well, but make sure you have at least one device connected for Flutter development. So now I am gonna launch the VS Code. You have to press Ctrl Shift P, which is the easiest way to make your first application, and write Flutter new project and press enter. Then we have to write a name for this application. We are gonna name it hello Flutter. Okay, press enter, and then we have to select a location where this project will store. I am going to select Flutter course folder and select this folder. Okay, as you see in the terminal, we have error code 0, which means everything is fine. It is analyzing few things, and one important thing you should see here is that I have connected my Android phone, which is MIA1. If I click here, I can launch this application on web, on my Microsoft Edge browser, on a web server. We have all these options, but I'm gonna make Android application, so we need Android native device, or you can run it on the emulator, but I suggest you should use your own Android device to make applications. This will make sure that everything is running fine on real device. Okay, so I have selected this MIA1 phone. Here I have selected this phone. So before doing anything, I am going to launch this pre-made application by pressing F5, and then it will take few minutes to launch the application. So let's wait for this. Now we can see that our first application is ready and installed on my Android device. To share the Android device screen with my laptop, I am going to use a software which is called a Power Mirror software, which is the best software to share your Android phone screen with your laptop. I have made another video on this software. If you want to watch complete guide on how to use this software, the link is in the description. So this is the software which I am using to share screen, and we have built our first application. Our first application is ready, and if we click on this plus icon, the numbers are increasing, and this is by default. And if I remove all the comments really quick, okay, so this application on the right hand side is the result of the source code, which is around 64 lines of code. And let's play with our first application. We are going to change this title, and we are going to name it hello Flutter, and save this file, Ctrl S. So this will save the file, and you can see instant changes on your application. Also, if you want to change the theme of this application, you can change it from here. delete this blue and press Ctrl space and select green. Also you can add your custom colors, but this is something advanced. We can learn this thing when we are comfortable with this code. Save this file, and here you can see the updated result on your screen. Also, if you want to enable dark mode on your device, you can do this by writing brightness dot dark and save this file, and the application will be converted into dark mode. And simply you can make it in light mode as well by writing light here. You see, using Flutter is very easy, very simple. Let's make some more changes in this application, and I am going to change this text. You have pressed the button this many times. Go down, and here I can update this line, button count, and save this file. Instantly you can see the changes here. On the bottom we have this floating action button, which is this, and when we press this button call this function, and the number is increased by 1. Okay, if you want to increase the number by 10 or maybe 20, we can update this counter equal to plus equal to 10 and save. And you see we are increasing the numbers by 10. So this is very simple, and to keep things simple, I am ending my video here. In my next video I'll explain more details on the project structure. Stay tuned, watch my next video for some other great lessons. Thank you.